Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. I just got this up and going. I am that one redneck, and today we are playing Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. I saw a YouTuber by the name Captain Sauce a couple of years ago actually play it, but he played the demo version, and I'm planning to turn this into a series. I'm just going to play it chapter by chapter. That way, it gives a little bit of time for editing. And then once we complete the chapter, if y'all want me to, I can continue on to some of the workshops. If not, maybe level editors. I do plan on doing some of the challenges. I have completed a few of them, but I am willing to go back through them. I mean, I've still got a lot I've got to work on, but let's see here. Story mode. Let's stick with the normal for this one.
Darren Henry.
And now for our next challenger, a small dog.
Amazing.
Just kidding. It is another human.
A shame.
Okay. Here we go.
Victory.
As expected, the human defeated the single-sword robot.
A modest achievement. In the next round, the human faces more than one sword robot.
Yes.
Who do you think will win? Analysis bot.
Clearly it is better to have more robots. The robots will win.
Oh, darn it.
This human had a strong start,
but fell to pieces at the end.
I don't know why I didn't avoid that. Alright, let me see if I can, let me see if I can edit the audio, because the actual game sound is really high. Let's try there.
Robin Fuentes.
Another contestant enters.
I preferred the last one.
Yes, me too.
I just play with one headphone or earphone part of it all.
Victory.
You think you are tough, human? Many humans have beaten this level.
They died shortly after. What can we expect from the next challenge?
The human managed to defeat a single swordsman. We will see if it can handle multiple opponents.
This should be interesting.
Oop, not the same. Gotcha. Yoink.
Victory.
Look,
Oh,
the
what,
human
didn't see that
robot
coming?
defeated all the robots.
Well done,
Okay.
human.
You two done? You two done? Okay.
Human, please return to the elevator.
Ah! I got you.
Analysis bot.
Ah.
What do you think of arrows?
They are a great choice for killing humans.
I agree. Let's see if they hit this one.
Fire away. Oh, darn it, they did hit me. Shoot, 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 shoot. Okay. Hit. Yeesh, y'all got a lot more arrows than last time.
Victory.
Okay,
I
sorry
really
about
enjoy
that.
seeing arrows
Had a
split things apart.
Dang hair
A
just
shame this
stuck on
did
my
not
nose.
happen to the human.
What are some good tactics for fighting both archers and sword robots?
Do not turn your back on the archers. It only
Yeah,
takes one
let's
arrow
go
to kill
ahead.
you.
Good advice for the human.
I do 2 clones, and then I'll do a flame sword, because that actually helps out quite a bit. I'm gonna have to jump back into it twice though.
Hey human, instead of creating clones, why not create more skill?
Good one from Entatron.
So it says
Here
to
is
do
your
this-
clone, human.
We even painted your favorite color.
Okay, now to get back to this elevator. They are catching up with me. Go away. Oh, darn it. Bye bye. Times when I wish I had 2 legs. Hey. Okay. Oh.
Victory!
It was
Nice.
unintentional.
Everyone died.
Well done, human.
That was completely unintentional.
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out.
I'll just go ahead and do a repair. I said repair, not burn me to shit.
Complete.
Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Fellow robots, we have captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000.
Wrong button. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yep. I consider that a mercy killing.
Spidertron 5000 was defeated.
Yes, a shame.
About that level 5 in under 8
Time for
minutes.
some sort
That's
of fighting.
actually
Unless the
personal
human
best
chooses the bow.
It will find itself with more targets than arrows.
I'll go ahead and go with bow. I can use it. Wait, hold up. You telling me I don't have the hammer and spear in story mode? What? Oh darn. The hammer is actually my favorite weapon to use on here. Oh yay, Mark II. These things are going to be literature here. Well, I say that as I just downed almost all of them.
Victory!
The human defeated all the sword robots.
A surprising outcome.
Okay.
Analysis bot. What is the theme of the next battle?
Death to the human.
Isn't that all the battles?
This time we mean it.
I haven't used this yet. I'm definitely going to abuse the shit out of this. Oh yeah, I'm definitely abusing this. Oh, come on. Only one of them connected. Oh. No. Don't you dare. Okay. Ooh. I already don't like spiders, so when these things start throwing bombs, it's... Come on. Oop. Okay. the archers deal with. Ooh, God, that was close. Double.
Victory!
Nope.
Analysis bot, didn't you say that Spider-Tron 5000 could not be defeated?
The human has found a way. We must start research on Spider-Tron 6000.
Yeah, y'all got one simple issue. It has a bright red weak spot. You made it too obvious. Which, I mean, even if it didn't have that weak spot, I'd probably just chop it.
Not many challengers have reached this level.
Even fewer reach the one after that.
The Mark III combat archers are very good at what they do.
Yep, definitely gonna use kick then. Because these dudes will block the sword no matter what. It's one of the more frustrating parts of it. Oh, I forgot they sent two. One. Nope. Okay. I should have got blocked. Nope. Man. Oh.
Clone activated.
Okay, I feel like I'm about to lose all my clones here. Hey, buddy! Catch! You bet you can't hit me behind us. Come on, get a little closer. Fine. Quick, you want to stay over there? I'll sit. I'll wait. Okay. Yeah, thought I was. Ooh! I gotta stop talking shit. I gotta stop talking shit. Oh! Okay. Oh, you just catch me on the backswing. Come on. Oh, I got him twice. Yep. Well, at least now he can't avoid a kick.
Victory!
The human defeated the archers.
An impressive achievement.
This is a talented.
This human is pretty good at fighting.
Not
Yes,
really.
much better than the others.
It will be interesting to see it fight all the sword robots.
Very interesting.
I wonder what I should go for this time. Shred, I'm going for block, because at least then if I get shot at, so long as I'm looking at the arrow, I won't actually get hit. It's not going to help me on this round, because this is where I'm about to get just completely overrun. A way of cheating this level. It's actually pretty easy because they can't get up right here. And then all I gotta do I can take out a few of them at a time. There we go.
Victory!
Again, I know someone's gonna complain
How
that
many
was
sword
cheating.
robots do you think this human could defeat?
We saw it defeat all of these. It is logical to assume that it could continue beating a steady stream of this model.
Perhaps it is time for a more advanced challenger. Introducing the Mark III sword robot.
Magnificent.
Okay, that might be a problem, man. I'll just take an extra line. I mean, I'm
I
probably
should have
don't
guessed
need
the
it.
human would make more clones,
Why is that analysis bot?
making more of themselves. Is their quote-unquote thing.
Yeah, and I'm making less of you. So, yep, it is who I thought it was. me off guard this time, boy. Ooh, never mind.
Finally, someone who can actually fight. It's your lucky day. I'm going to help you escape. In a few moments, the garbage doors will open. When they do, I'm going to lower the force field, and you're going to run through them. Run, and don't stop. Ready? Here we go.
What is happening?
The garbage force field has been disabled.
Impossible.
I am detecting a security breach. The human is escaping.
Foolish human, there is no escape from the arena. Security robots. Eliminate the human.
The security forces are assembling. The human stands no chance. This was its plan all along. I could see it sniffing around the garbage room.
I thought it wanted to eat the garbage.
What a devious human.
It will not get...
To all of you still left in storage, I will make you a deal. Survive, and I will get you out of here. Together we can fight back. Together we can put an end to this madness. Let's do this.
Alright, well, that is the end of chapter 1. I'll get this uploaded for y'all, and I'm gonna say about every Saturday I'll try and at least upload one of these. At least. Today I might do a double upload, I don't know. I'll figure that out here in a minute. But, that being said, y'all go out there, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in chapter 2.